glad you checked out the Cypher. It's no accident that you got the CD or you downloaded this and took the time to listen to it. See, your creator, he customized his message just for you, so you could feel it and hear it in language that you could understand, spoken from some real people that have been through some real stuff just like you. See, this life is a battle. Most people just end up getting beat down and defeated, but you just listen to some people who got back up and were transformed into warriors. And we still live in the real world, but we look at things from a different perspective. Our eyes have been opened, propaganda has been exposed. We realized we were messed up and we needed to be rescued. The one that saved us was Jesus Christ. And now we fight for the truth with passion. And maybe your eyes are already open and you're on the team. That's word. Or maybe right now this very mix CD is beginning to open your eyes to your creator, to eternity, to right and wrong and how you're living your life, and you know there's something more out there. Well, if that's you, we encourage you to seek Christ, build a relationship with Him. Check out Romans 10:9 and 10. And if you live in the Tampa Bay area, well, you got a group of people right here at Crossover that's here to build with you, help you grow in your spiritual journey. You can check us out at crossoverchurch.org. Or better yet, if you haven't checked us out, we invite you to come out and see us in person. Come through. And if you got this CD from us when you visited, well man, I personally invite you to come back and see what God has next for you. I'm Pastor Tommy, aka Urban D. We hope to see you soon. Grace and peace.